Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you got a brake light that's stuck on and your emergency brake is not on, and your brake light switch, you know for a fact, is good, and what's happening is your vehicle, when you come to a stop or sudden stop, the brake light goes off and then it comes right back on? Well, after you've also have checked your emergency brake switch and you've checked your actual brake light switch for your brake lights, one other thing you can check, as long as you know the vehicle it doesn't have any fluid leaks, is your actual fluid level. If your vehicle has anti-lock brakes, then it's going to have an electronic sensor in here on the master cylinder that it's going to tell your vehicle when you come to a sudden stop and the fluid all rushes to the back of the reservoir. It's going to go down below the minimum level, and the sensor is built into this cap. And it's inside that tube right there. And so when the fluid level, when it's floating the level gets too high, it's going to cause the switch to come on. So what your problem is actually your fluid is too low. Now let me show you here what I mean by that. We'll fill the fluid level up in 1 second. Alright guys, get the vehicle recommended brake fluid that the vehicle calls for, whether it's .3, .4, if it's an older vehicle it takes like .2 or .1. Fill it up. Right to the top of the line there. Put the cap back on the reservoir. Screw your cap on all the way. I said, make sure you jack your vehicle up. You check your brake calipers or your wheel cylinders if it's got drum brakes. Check the lines. Check the back seal on the master cylinder, which they're common for leaking. You know, on the back of the plunger on the master cylinder. Check all those. As long as you have no leaks, then your fluid level is just low. However, your fluid level doesn't just automatically get low out of the blue. It's usually low because there's a leak somewhere. Like I said, but once you check all that and you know there isn't a leak, like I said, then you simply check it all. But this particular vehicle, we bled the brakes and changed the calipers and hadn't filled the fluid level back up yet. That's why it was low. But normal circumstances, you know, if your fluid level is low, it's because you have a leak somewhere. However, if you've done the brakes and your light's on and you're not sure why, check your fluid level to be on the safe side. And also, if you're not sure what type of fluid your vehicle takes and you're not the original owner, you don't have the owner's manual that come with the car when it's brand new, all master cylinders, for safety reasons, say on the caps what the vehicle is recommended for, and this vehicle is recommended for .3. Well, there you go, guys. I hope this was helpful to you all out there, and if it was, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. If there's any other how-to videos on vehicles you'd like to see, or anything else for that matter, if you need to know how to change a brake caliper or breed your brakes, please leave comments down below. Y'all have a great day.